In front of me is REALME GT7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called OS Launcher from Launcher Studio Developer. When it's ready, go back to Devices Settings and scroll to Hit Apps. Then select Default Apps. Tap on Home app and click on Launcher Pro. Then wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, Apple layout was successfully applied. If you want to make some changes to this layout, just enter Launcher app and change wherever you want to. If you wish to go back to your default launcher, you can always do that by going back to the same settings and hitting System Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!